Guys, so if you have ever sat down to plan something, maybe your week, your routines, or even a big project, only to freeze because you didn't know where to start. So, the reason why most of us don't take action isn't that we're lazy, it's because we're overwhelmed and don't have clarity. So, that's exactly where I was when I tried to plan my 2025 system. I wanted to use my A5 planner for tracking, my tools for events, and a personal planner for routines, but I just couldn't figure out how to make them work together. So that is where Scrintal came and saved me. So let me show you guys how it works and why you need this in your system. So here is the thing about planning. It's not just about writing things down. It's about figuring out the flow, how everything connects so you can use your tools effectively without feeling like you're duplicating your work. So for my 2025 planner system, I wanted my A5 Filofax planner for more big picture tracking like yearly goals and monthly reviews. I also wanted my digital tools still like Apple Calendar and Upbase for events, tasks, and just storing all of my notes and resources. And then I also needed my personal foundations planner from Cloth and Paper because I just bought it and I wanted to use it, but just for my daily routines and as an inbox to brain dump and also a monthly calendar. But every time I sat down to plan out my system, it just felt so messy. So I didn't have clarity on what went where or how these tools could work together. So that's when I turned to Scrintal. And they have this template here. So they have templates so that you can just get started with it. So I used the mind map template here and it had all these color codes already and everything. And it just gave me a structured way to brain dump all of the sections I wanted in my planning system. Monthly reviews, routines, budgeting, goal tracking, just, a good way to just see everything visually, and it just made it so much easier for me to figure out what went where. Okay, so at first I only had this main part right here, and that's when I started using Scrintal's AI assistant. The AI assistant is perfect because you can send it whatever you want to it. What I did was I sent in my blocks for my planner system, and then I asked it to tell me what section should I include in this planner. So it told me suggested sections in your planner for a yearly overview, a monthly calendar, weekly goal setting, household budget, habit tracker, brain dump, notes, project pages, reflection. And then I sent in my digital Apple calendar and a face, and I said, what should these be used for? And it just told me that Apple Calendar should be for managing events, setting reminders, and Upbase can be for project management, notes, and documentation. And then I just did that for all of that. I did it for my personal planners, and it said that I should use it for an inbox brain dump, habits and routine. And then it came with suggestions. So every time I input anything into it, it would have these suggestions at the bottom, add examples of an integration workflows, suggest tools that work well together, include tips. I just clicked on it. Once you click it, it creates a new note, and then you can just take that note and drag it as a block. That's what I did with these big blocks here. I just copied and pasted basically. So it was really handy in helping me figure out what goes into which section, and then I can just drag and drop things that it told me straight into my board here. So just like I did here, strategies for consistency and planner use and just suggested sections. So it was just so perfect for planning. So the thing is, Scrintal isn't just for planning. It's so perfect for other areas of your life too. So I have one for my content ideas. So I sent blocks of rough ideas for YouTube videos to the AI. I just put in my ideas and put them into the AI assistant, and it gave me a content plan for next month, week by week. So another example is for my home and personal life. So for this one, I just wrote down what I wanted to do. I used the Kanban board template here, and it had backlog, to do, in progress, and done. And then I just wrote down declutter makeup area. So I put that into the AI assistant and I said, help me break down this task. And it just told me to clear off the desk, go through all makeup, remove everything, put back only items. So that just helps me to work on the next action. And then you can also create your own planner just using the templates. So these are all templates. I didn't do anything with them. So this one is the annual roadmap template. And then this one we have a monthly planner. And this is a weekly planner and the prioritization matrix. So you can access all of the templates right here. And if you just click on any of them, it will just bring in that template. So you can see here, it just added it to this page for me. So here is why Scrintal needs to be a part of your system. It helps you organize your thoughts because the mind mapping templates just makes it so easy to brain dump and structure all of your ideas. It gives you actionable insights because with the AI assistant, it doesn't just give you ideas, it helps you refine them and turn them into a plan. It's fully visual, so seeing everything connected visually eliminates overwhelm and just gives you clarity, and it adapts to your needs. So whether you're planning your life, organizing your home, managing a project, Scrintal can support you every step of the way. Scrintal's new updates makes everything so much easier. Their new visual layout gives you a clear bird's eye view of your ideas. The templates are amazing. You can use their templates for faster editing. You can see here, it just inputted all this and you just have to fill it in with your own text. And their new AI assistant is amazing because it doesn't just give you answers, it offers follow-up suggestions to help you think of things that you wouldn't have even thought of before. It's like having a brainstorming partner who always knows what the next best question to ask is. So if you are feeling stuck, whether it's planning your goals, organizing your routines, or figure out what to tackle first, Scrintal can help you find clarity and take action. So right now they have a monthly plan with a 7-day refund policy, so there's no risk in trying now. If you want, the link for it will be in the description down below. So give it a shot and see how much easier your planning can be. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.